Good day, welcome to Ultimate Skills Empire. Today we are going to be talking about 3D animation. We are trying to let you know how you can create 3D animation with your smartphone. Alright, this application we will be using is no longer accepted in the Windows. That is why you cannot use it on the PC. You can only use it on the mobile device. So what is the application we use in creating a 3D animation? We use a Plotagon application to create a 3D animation. Alright, so when you want to get your Plotagon, you click on your Google Chrome to get the application on your phone. Already I have the application on my phone right now, so I'll not need to go and get it again. So I'll just need to show you the application on the Google so you get to see how it look like. Right, this is the application on the first page. So when you come to Google, you get it at your Play Store. Look at it at the first page. That is this. Because I already have it, I need to come back to that. All right, let us go to the main talk. Today what we are focusing on is customizing your character. How to customize your character, design your own character, the people that you want them to display animation. So you need to customize them to your taste, right? So that is what we are doing today. So you go to your Plotagon application. Look at my phone here. Sorry, my phone is hanging. Sorry for that, please. Plotagon, you open the Plotagon application, then it will load. Because I'm using internet, it will load faster than usual. But you know, this application, even with or without uh, internet, all right. Let's wait for it to load because it contains many files, so it will take a very some time to load. But because I'm using internet connection, it will load faster than usual. But if you're not using internet connection, it will take a little bit time to load. All right, so it can work with and without internet connection. So we are waiting for it to load. All right, so we just be patient, let it load. Remember, what we are doing now is customizing the the 3D the 3D characters, like the ones you are seeing displaying on this screen. That is what we are going to do. You customize it to your taste, how you want them to look like. All right, so finally it has finished loading 100% right now. So it will take us to the home page right now. Let's wait for it. Now here the home page. If you are not using internet, it will show like blank space like this, white like this. But because I'm using internet, it will give me uh these pictures right here. So you can sign up if you are new in this. You can sign up. That is not a must you sign up, because you can still work on it without signing up. So it is your choice to sign up. All right, so let us get to work. What do you do first? You go and we want to create a character. That is what we are doing here right now, to create character. Sorry for that. You click on this button here, this button down here, for your character creation. Let's click on that. Then we click on that. It will take us to a place like this. All right, so because I'm using internet connection, that is why you are seeing all of these videos right now, tutorial video, the one I've done, the one that the system it's had brought to me right now. So but we are not going to be looking at this. If you're not using internet connection, all this will not pop up for you, right? So what we are doing is to create character, remember. So you click on the characters right at the top corner right here. You click on the character, it takes us to somewhere like this. You click on create new character. Remember, create new characters. These ones here are the system made character, and the first two at the top is the one that I did myself, right? So we want to create another one right now. Click on the create new character, then you wait for it to load. It will take a while to load. If you're using internet connection, it will be faster, just like as I'm using it right now. If you're not using internet connection, it will take a little bit more time than using internet connection. You get that? So that is how it works. So it gives you opportunity to use internet or not. It is your choice. Almost done. Right, so this is the page it will bring us to. It take us to this page. Right, this is the page we are right now. So what are we going to be doing? You see, there is male, there is female here. So let us create and add a character that is for male. So we click on the male. If you want to create a female character, you click on female, then it will change this character to a female character. Right, so you see, but we want to create a male character because I'm a guy, so I'll create a don't mind me please. So right now, you see the next thing right here is the what head, the head. We want to choose the type of head we want to use, right? So you check the head you want to do, the shape of the head you like. You see, you change, you just click, choose the ones that you like. The colors down here is the way you can change the color of the face. Let us change the color to the something like this, right? You see, so you can change the color to something else. Let us change the head again to something better. No, I don't like that. I don't like that. What do you, how are this one? It's okay. So the next one down there is the hairstyle. All right, the hairstyle. So you got to choose the hairstyle that to you want the character to have. All right, so these are the hairstyles available. All right, so let us choose the one that will fit into this head. You can choose any one that you like. It is your choice depending on what you are doing, what advert you are creating, what event you are trying to do. You see, these are characters. These are the hairstyles available. All right, let us go with this. That I think is cool. You can see change the color of the hair from this side. The color here right now, you can see change the color of that hair right here. So let us try the black. Let us see how it will be. You see that? Choose this one. You see how it will be. That the dark one is, I think, is more mature. But the next one here is the beard. The next on the list, look at, well, yeah, that's the beard. So you can choose the ones that you like. Me, I love beard so much. Let me try to choose this one. Wow, oh god, this is too big. This is too big. I don't like that. All right, you see that? So you can choose any one that you like among everyone's all the ones right here. There are many of them. You can purchase anyone that you like from the store. All right, I don't like all these ones. Which one am I going to choose? I want to choose one that, yeah, this is okay. This is okay. Let me try this. This is okay, right? Or let's choose, let's take out that one. That's perfect. Right, make it dark. Right, to make it mature. Right, so the next one here is the eyeball. You see that? The next on the list is the eyeball. You can choose the type, the how you want the eyes to be. There are the list. You can choose how you want the eyes to be. Anyone you choose here, it will affect on the character. Then the one below it is the, what is it called? Is it the I don't know, eyebrow, something like that. So you can choose the one that you like. You see, it make my character beautiful. The next one is the when they call this, I forgot. So you choose the one that you like. It will make your face also good. The one I like there, you choose. So the last one down here is the lips. The lips color, you see that is dark than the other is fair. Let me choose the dark one because this is a man. As a man, let us we like dark things. Pardon me, sir. So the next one on the list here is the glasses. You see that is the glasses. So you can choose the type of glass you want your character to wear. All right, let's if you choose this, look at that, look at this. So there are many of them right here that you can choose. You see, I'm looking for something more incredible, something better than what is that. I can decide to change the color right here to see how it will look, or I can choose this, put it pure dark color. Okay, yeah, that is it, it's already dark. Can decide to put this on the head of that man. You see, a pilot. That's okay. Okay, let us use a nice about this. See that? So all these things here is made for your use, so you can choose any of them that you like and use for your advert or your character. So the next on the view here is the shirt, the clothes you want to wear. The shirt, that is the upper shirt. You want to, is it going to be wear polo or t-shirt or something? So you decide the color you want it to be. Let us try this one. You see that? I think this is cool. Or the what about this? You see him? So these are the colors or the clothes available. You can change the clothes, the color of the clothes to your choice. These are the colors that you can change them to. See that? That's the colors you can change to if you like. So let us, the guy is a gentle guy, so let us find a good clothes for a gentle guy right here. I think this is cool. This is cool. So the next one is there is the shirt or the trouser. You can choose the type of trouser you want him to wear. Let's try this. You see, it is changing. All right, if you want the man to wear trouser and skirt at the same time, is okay. Oh no, it's not good. The man is a gentle guy. So let him wear a rugged, a cool trouser. Plain trouser is okay. So you see that, so that is how it goes. You create it as you like, just the way you want it to be. This is okay. Now you can change the color of the trouser if you like. Coming to the colors here, you see them. These are the colors available. Yeah, it goes with the color. So the next one is here is the shoes, the sandals or the shoes. Anyone that you like, you can use right here. Anyone that you like, you see that. So that is how you add them to your choice, the ones that you like, how you will love it as well. Like as I said earlier, you can also change the color of all of this. Look at the color down here. You can change the color of the shoes to your choice. Let's find a color that yeah, this is okay, or this is also good. Now this is more perfect. You see, so that is how we do that. Then the next one here is the language. If you want a different language, all right, if you want to add your own language, the different voice, you can add voice here and add the type of voice you wish to use. But right here we want to use the system voice. All right, so the next one here is the name of your character. You see, you can name your character. Let me, as this point, I will name this character something else that I can remember. It's not much I remember is in the way, but just to give him a name. Everyone has name, just like as you have name. So you can give your character a name. Let me say his name is Innocent. My name is Innocent, so let me just say his name is Innocent, and I will save. When I say done, then it will save the character and it will show on the list of characters, and I can use it whenever I want to create animation at any point in time. All right, so that is how to customize your 3D character. Simple and easy. It is very simple and easy. Please, I want you to try this out. comment your question on the comment section below, and like this video, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified once we upload new videos on this channel. All right, so just subscribe right now, ask your questions in the comment section, and I will be glad to attend to you as soon as possible. All right, so you see the name right already on my, you see the innocent we created at this side, right? So let us go there again. I want to show you something. So I'll click on that innocent again. I want to show you something that we forgot while we are doing the customization. All right, so that is all about creating your 3D character. You can design any kind of character right here. You can create more beautiful, more sexy, more attractive characters than this from this particular place. It is just your own choice, your creativity, that determine how you do that. All right, so this is just a tutorial, and you can create more beautiful ones. Create it now, send it to the send it to me, let me see it. All right, so if you want to snap your character, I mean you want to take a picture of your character, look at the top here, right here, the top button right here. You see a camera button there. You can click on that, on the camera, and right, so you can drag the character off. You see, you can change the color of the character, the color of this background, by clicking on this particular place, and you can select the background you want, is anyone that you like. All right, you see that. So you can, that is how you do it. Then after that, you go back. On going back, it has finished what it is doing, and that is how you create your 3D character animation. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I guess you learned something new today. What I want you to do right now is to subscribe on this channel, hit on the bell button, so you get every update we upload on this channel. Remember, this channel is just coming up, and we are aim to teach you everything right from the scratch, and you get to understand them one after the other. All right, so this is the first video for this class, and tomorrow we are going to be doing another video. Stay tuned, and God bless you. Thanks for watching, and remain blessed.